Hello, what's up guys? So, for today's video, tuturuan ko naman kayo guys ng scheduled message dito sa Instagram. So, nakita ko lang ito guys sa TikTok. So, gayahin natin. So, first, example guys. So, magta-type ka lang ng message and then hold mo yung send button. And then pagkatapos, so, pipili ka dyan ng date kung kailan mo isi-send yung message mo. Halimbawa guys, 6 PM. So, yan, send today at 6 PM. So, after mo i-click guys, so may nakalagay dyan sa baba na one scheduled message. So yan, i-click mo yan. So lahat ng scheduled message mo dyan malalagay. So kung gusto mo namang i-delete, so hold mo lang and then delete or pwede ding send now. So click natin muna send now para matry natin. So message, send. So yun guys, so may nakalagay. So halimbawa guys, i-delete natin. So scheduled message ulit. So 6 PM and then hold natin and then delete. So yun lang, ganun lang kasimple guys gumawa ng scheduled message dito sa Instagram. So yun lang, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye bye.